Daddy's shoes. I'm so excited because my daddy wrapped the present and I'm so excited. I got this for Christmas, like I love it. And my name say Cherise, I like black, and I like daddy. And I draw my daddy name in this. I'm so excited. Whoa, slime? The cards were one cup. Wow. Whoa, this is really cool. So put it in a cup. Some slime. You can choose whatever you want. And some Legos. These are my favorite ones. We're gonna open two. Okay guys, what do you want to open for us? The slime or the Legos? I'm gonna choose the slime. Because I opened the slime for us. This see inside. Whoa. You can bring everything you want. Like in this, it can peel off easy. This here. So excited. My daddy's gonna go help me make slime. Some glitters. These are really cool. You could dip these in the slime. I don't know these cards, but I don't know that one's for. So this is glue and this is glue. It's got extra. We used to got extra. And we got some activator too. Well, my sister wanna just join me, but she can't. She's gotta be with me. First, these are really cool. I might be. And there's this is really cool. This is a ton. Daddy, this is for the applicator.
Okay.
This part.
Wait, we need water too.
This is for water. Your dad's gonna get water. gonna be mad. Dad's gonna be mad. Hi guys, I just accidentally make a mistake and we're gonna redo again. This dip big, I'm so excited. Oh. Oh. Really cool. This is really cool. This is really cool. Sticky. Whoa. This is really cool. Whoa. Thank you guys for liking my channel. You will watch me and play, but that's all today. Well, click that subscribe, turn the notification, give me a huge thumbs up. See you tomorrow. Bye.